Hello, Translation Skills for Media Entrant, Part 5, Errors in Translation. We have often seen that few translated copies are not up to the mark, or there is a problem in understanding what is original text and what is the translated text. So let us find out what are the errors that a translator or in translation we can find. First, mistranslation. Now, here the concept itself says that there is something missing in translation or something is missed out in translation. Not translating a sentence in a proper manner or in a proper way it is said or it has to be, that is called mistranslation. Okay, say for an example, I am cool. Now, if you translate this in Hindi, okay, so you have to say मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. But what happens when mistranslation took place? Majorly, mistranslation happens when you translate it literally. So, for an example, I am cool. मैं ठंडा हूँ. This is mistranslation. There is an example given in the slide that the tram word for a train, but if the language culture don't have the concept of tram, then it is totally misleading to an audience and they will think of it ki what is tram. So this is what the first error happens in the translation, mistranslation. Next is inconsistent translation. Not keeping a flow, a tone in a particular way or in a rhythm cause inconsistent translation. Incorrect use of jargons, incorrect use of slangs, uh, placement of the word many a times, totally indiscipline. Okay, that causes inconsistency in the translation. Many a times the original text is in first person narration, and in translation somewhere it is used first person, somewhere it is used third person. So that also an example of inconsistent translation. Okay, this may happen because translator is careless in his or her writing and proofing. Okay, many a time inexperienced or poor translators may switch between the tones that is used. Okay, so that is inconsistent translation, the second error in translation. Third is localization of language. In case of India, this is the biggest problem in translation. Okay, certain words do not have equivalent word in another language. So the linguistic rule says that you can use that word as it is. But translator try to make it uh, ridiculous by translating the concept which is not in the target language culture, and then it causes error or misunderstanding, misinterpretation of the text. Say for an example, in Marathi, Sumbaran is a word, okay, but that is very local, and there is no word in other language to this particular. Then you just have to understand the the meaning of that word, in what reference it is used, and according to reference you have to use a different phrase from different uh, what do you say uh, languages. Say for an example, in Marathi only, when I say that मी भरपूर पावसाळे बघितले, which literally means that I am so much experienced than you. Okay. In English, people used to translate, I have seen many rainy seasons. But there is no significance of this phrase in English culture, because rainy season in India is a dominating season. But in Europe or in America, it is not. So, this localization of language is another error for translation. Next is a very simple and very basic error that uh, translator used to do is spelling, grammar, and syntax errors. Okay, these errors, okay, these mistakes, whether the reader is familiar to the language or not, but these are errors because these are spelling or grammar errors, or we can say basic errors, where understanding or the knowledge of other language is not important. The presence of spelling, grammar, and syntax error in uh, any translator's copy uh, make that content unprofessional and sloppy, and that may affect on translator's career or his or her image. The last but another important error is omission. We have this habit of omitting something and moving further, but in translation you can't do that, because everything that was included in the source material, okay, was put there for a reason, and leaving something out, okay, it could change the meaning of entire text. It can be a total 360 turn in the text. So omission, or to avoid omission, translator must keep eye on each and every text of source language and check whether all the things have covered in the translated text. Okay, so these were the errors in translation. Thank you.